We have a creek. We have a hammock over there. See it? Hammock. A shit ton of firewood. Oh, my sister would love this. Like the puppy fucking flags. Ladies and gents, we're going off-road. Yep, I'm gonna just get past this guy's driveway because he gets nervous, I feel like. Oh, look at that. That's a cool little motorcycle there. It looks like a little Harley. Nice. Ladies and gents, we're doing a little trail to our cabin, and Jason is NYC Scrambler is behind me, getting some sweet footage of my line. So we're gonna take a right and then left. So that's our first right, and now we got 3 lefts. And when we come to some water, make sure to take a left line and not the right, because maybe by now you've seen the footage of Jason doing a little off-roading, extra off-roading. This is not off-road enough for him, so he was like, I'll create my own line. Left. You know? He was just craving a little bit of mud in his life. Right? Not this left. All right. And then we got a little hike to the cabin, which is also exciting, which I guess I will also capture for the vlog, because why not? I'm just in the capturing kind of mood. Whoa. Kind of all over the place a little bit. Oh, there it is. There is this, we call this the Jason's puddle. Can you even see your tracks? I guess, yeah, like right there. Yeah, that's a good track. That's a good track. But we avoid it. We go around it. Look at Jason going extra slow there. I'll let him catch up. Whoa, a little bumpy there. Ooh, watch out. Is this our parking spot? Not yet. And here's where we go our last left at the lantern. This is where it gets a little bit pointy. Some of these rocks are a little angry looking. Doesn't look like much, but we're on street tires, so you got to pick a perfect line, unless you want some fucking trouble. Oh, deer. There's a deer right there to the left. You see it? Yeah, earlier, a couple minutes ago, I swear I saw a coyote, but I'm not sure. It looked a little too big to be a coyote. So if it's not a coyote, it was a fucking wolf, and I don't think I saw a wolf. But who knows? Definitely not a deer. How about that? Oh, well, a little extra bean there for no fucking reason. Here we go. Another little mud. Do I go left or do I go right? What would Jason do? And do the opposite. What would Jason do? All right, we gotta be almost there. Yep. We could, but I don't think it's worth it. Although it does look nice. Or to the right. Well, no, to the right doesn't go far. Huh, that guy was still funny. He's like, motorcycles, huh? You're gonna have fun. Wait.
Keep going. We are literally at the end of the road.
Right. No, because I was like, wait, we're going downhill. I don't remember this steeper downhill section, but I guess it was here. This is a serious little trail, especially for these bikes. And then we go left again. No, right. Wow, Jesus Christ, I'm losing the plot. I'm losing the plot. And my nose is itchy as fucking dick. Pardon my Spanish. Ah, mid-turn nose itch. All right, here we go. Here we go. We did it. All right, let's park the bikes.
Good rocks over here for my kickstand.
Yep. Exactly. All right. Nice. Now we will take a little walk down to our cabin and I'll show you how we live. I'm gonna keep this video going. We got supplies. We got, for one night, we have 2 12-packs of beer, 6 gallons of water.
6 gallons.
No, 6 liters.
2 gallons.
Well, let's keep it European. 6 liters. People can't hear you anyway. We didn't sink. We got sausages. We got burgers. We got cheese and bread. We got Skittles. Sour Patch Kids. Then we also got more gummies. We got some mushrooms for the burgers.
And we got broccoli.
Yeah. And we got some parsley. And now, dangerously close. Oh wow, you strapped it like, no, that's why you got to put it through that little loop on the bottom.
Yeah, I got lazy.
All right.
And you were like done, and I was like, ah.
Oh my god. All right, let's go. Let's do it. I'm done again. Oh my god. I'm just so much faster. Better? Faster? Same thing. All right. I swear I hear a bear roaring.
That's possible.
And look at this. He did a little excursion through the mud. My tires are perfectly clean. My bike is spotless. Mr. fucking mountain bike man over here couldn't keep it together. That was literally like the worst line to pick and you went there. That's hilarious. But anyway, this is how we live. It's only a 5-minute, not even like 1-minute walk. I might have to like cut this part out just because of the heavy breathing. Going down is not as hard as going up though, so this is fine.
Is that my GoPro that died or yours? Yours is going.
Yeah.
Is mine off?
No, it's on. I mean, it's pointing at the bag. Because it's all pointing crazy. Is this how you ride?
What happened?
It's pointing like down.
I must have knocked it or something.
Yeah. I keep thinking there's animals everywhere, but I think we're safe for now. Is that mine?
No, I just turned mine off.
Oh, that's yours. Yeah. All right. So we are. Look at this beautiful shit. Yep. Oh, he revealed his face. Everybody, that's NYC Scrambler. That's what he looks like. Face reveal. But check out our glorious cabin. And this does not look that bad, but it's just very steep. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. It is possible to ride a bike down here, but the thing is, I don't want to risk it. Because that would be terrible. Getting a tow truck out here. Right? It'd be like, I'll be there in 2 months. Look at this beautiful location. It's kind of ridiculous. We have a creek. We have a hammock over there. See it? Hammock. A shit ton of firewood. See? Fire pit. We got a porch over there that's encased. 6, 8, 4. So if you guys ever want to come here, that's the code. Just show up. And we are here. This is it. This is the cabin. And that's the porch I was talking about. It's this way. Oh, nice. We left this door open. Good thing we locked that one. Yeah, see? It's perfect. All right, it's time for a beer. So I'll talk to you guys later.